Sometimes we don't appreciate those who are close to us. We may even be conscious of it, yet unable to behave any differently in that moment. When a good person enters your life, make sure you do everything it takes to give back to them and give them a reason to stay.
Just don't seem to fall into place. Sometimes you have to run further, even though you think giving it your best. Sometimes you have to reach higher, and it takes time for the stars to align. It takes time. While we wait for the better days, let's make the most of it. I'm sure they're coming. It takes time for you and me to find the right words in serenity. It takes time, and I got time. Let's not talk too much, let me hold you. It works out every time. You try to understand me, and I try to understand you. That's what it's all about. Say, I'm gonna say it anyway. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Shouldn't try to change it, but learn how to see things from your perspective. You're my true objective. Don't go projecting blue. Your heart's reflecting on the ones you love, on the ones you love. You can't change the color of a flower, but you can't help it grow. Let's not talk too much, let me hold you. It works out every time. Try to understand me, I try to understand you. That's what it's all about, all about. Let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you, hold you. Let's not talk too much. Let me just hold you.